Now, let's immediately begin with Grayson de Villena. Ano ang mabibigat na balita from our science department, Grayson?
Yes, Heidi. So I'm so excited to share this because this is such a big month for science. This is because we secured wins in not one, but two different division level science contests. Two of our students, Marky James Villafuerte and Chris Leon Ranyola, won first place in the elimination round and third place in the final round of the hands-on Mindstone experiment, which happened last November 9 at Pablo Roman National High School. They were able to conduct advanced experiment, which is, may I add, quite admirable. Not only that, but also five of our students participated in the division Science and Technology Fair last Saturday, November 23, and luckily, Carl Nathaniel Rabagon nabbed first place, while Emmanuel Diaz bagged the second place. This all happened in the Tomas Pintin Memorial Elementary School. In addition to all of those, earlier this November, our school conducted a successful local science fair with the supervision of the science department. We have the STEM Talk experiment, scientists lookalike, brain quest, and also digital poster making, wherein we are able to witness not only the wit of their resilience, but also their creativity and knowledge in technology. We are also able to get a statement from Mr. Lawrence Baltazar, the head of science department and also one of the science coaches. As Mr. Baltazar said, the student underwent intensive preparation before competing in this event. Fortunately, we can say that all of their efforts paid off, since the students were able to emerge among other students from different schools. We once again prove how great resilience are. And yes, believe it or not, we are expecting the same five students who participated in the Division Science and Technology Fair to compete internationally. And if they continue to win, they will have a shot at competing at the Hong Kong International Science Olympiad.
Okay, Grayson, you mentioned the Hong Kong International Science Olympiad. Let me just clarify if um qualified na ba talaga yung participants natin sa competition na ito?
Yes, Heidi. So, according to Sir Lau, since nanalo na tayo sa district level na Quiz B in science, pwede na tayo sumali in Hong Kong International Science Olympiad.
Ibig sabihin ba nito lilipad na papuntang Hong Kong yung participants natin para lumaban?
Well, actually, online siya gaganapin. Pero
Ah,
if
okay.
nanalo sila doon, gaganapin siya in Singapore. So, doon
Mhm.
iko-continue yung quiz.
Once manalo tayo dun sa online
Yes,
competition, right? Okay. So thank you
yes.
so much for that clarification. Pero before this international level of competitions, balik muna tayo dito sa school-based activities natin, which was yung science fair natin. Dahil sa totoo lang, it is equally amazing. Masasabi ko naman. At share naman natin yung mga naging favorite activities, moments natin during the science fair. Kasi sobrang daming pinrepare ng science department for this one. Ikaw muna, ikaw muna. Ano yung naging pinaka-favorite mo?
So, one of my favorite talaga is yung the Science ka lookalike. Kasi, unang-una nakaka-enjoy siya panoorin. Natuto ako. And also, makikita mo na pinaghandaan talaga not only the science department, pero pinaghandaan din siya ng mga grade 12 students na nag-present ng science. And masasabi ko na ito talaga yung hihintayin ko next year. So, ikaw
Um,
na, Heidi.
Ako, sa totoo lang, yung favorite ko rin is yung scientist ka look-alike. Since Resilience, context lang po, kami pong grade 12 students ang naging participants nun. So, we prepared the booth per scientist na inassign po sa amin. And yeah, ayun yung favorite ko overall since the day one ng preparation, lalo na sa mismong araw nung fair kasi makikita mo talaga yung saya ng grade 7 students. Yung scientists na pinresent ng bawat section sa grade 12 ay sina Galileo Galilei, Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, Newton, and Aristotle. So, yeah, overall, it was really a fun experience and makikibalita na lang ako siguro next year kung anong gagawin ninyong grade 12 students there. Yeah. Okay, once again, thank you so much, Grayson, for giving us that clear, detailed information and story about our science activities.
Very much welcome.